Or to make videos? Yeah, sure. Well, try Redbird Flip. And that's why it's even better of your best one of all. They have music, videos, and games. And like that all the time. There, you have to do your favorite monsters. Choose Charlie and the Unicorn, and Llamas with Hats, and my singing monsters. And you can do and watch all. There's more. I made all more, I guess. Well, maybe you're gonna make it all the time. You can make Plants vs. Zombies or Film Cow. You can choose a lot. Like this. So you can do it. You can do it and subscribe. And click the like button. XOL.